Hi everybody, so for tonight's dinner we're going to have some flounder with honey mustard sauce and a little bit of zucchini and yellow squash. I have some flounder here, almost a pound, paid $21. I don't know if you could see that. Warmed up my pan, put a little bit of olive oil. So I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon on here. And I'm going to change things up and I'm going to use some apple smoke seasoning just so that things are a little bit different. Just a little bit of that. And I'll use my normal spice rub. Don't need too much again. Just let that cook for a minute, then I'll turn it over. In the meantime, I'm going to put my squash into the microwave, vented it just a little bit. We'll go 3 minutes on that. See how the fish is doing. I just want to cook it a little bit on that one side. Again, I'm going to put a little bit more lemon. Now, flounder is a very lean fish. Each one of these pieces has about 150 calories and about 40 grams of protein. They do kind of live by the bottom of the ocean, and they kind of blend in. They're a very flat fish. They kind of swim on what we would think is its side, but that's how they are. So I'm going to, in just a moment, I'm going to put a little bit of honey mustard on this. Now I'm going to use some Ken's Light. If I really wanted it to be good, I would use some Walden Farm Zero Calories, but this only has 90 calories and 2 tablespoons, and I'm probably not even going to use the whole 2 tablespoons, so we shall see. Brush out. We'll just put a little bit. Get my little pastry brush. Get a little more even. Then I'll let this cook for about 4 to 5 more minutes. And we will have our dinner. We'll have some fabulous flounder with some honey mustard sauce on it. And in another 30 seconds, our vegetables will be ready. And we'll have a great little dinner in 10 minutes or less. If you find this useful, please like, subscribe, share. Put on that notification bell so that you don't miss anything. This will also be in the cooking series. And I hope you have a great day and a great evening. I hope you're eating as well as we are. And as normal, I'll use a picture of the meal as my thumbnail.